Well, it's Wednesday here in Trinidad and Tobago, guys, and we just got a little pips today. Just want to show you guys some quick work I did on the charts, all right? And this is regarding confirmed pips. This is Simeon from Trinidad and Tobago, and here we go. Here you can see our USDCAD prediction, I should say, based on the chart analysis I did, all right? Basically, we had some confirmations here on a buy, and we had a new scandal basically just push the momentum on this particular idea. Look at this, guys. I could have done a three entries here to take profits because here was a really high probability, but I want you all to look at the loss, the stop loss, right? As you all can see, the stop loss is way more than the profit margin, and watch why that is, because we have the the markets, they stop hunting. So what that means is that persons might come in the trade and they might see a trend starting here. So when they see that trend started there, right? You have a trend here, then bounce back here and go up here, right? But what happens here? Most traders put a stop loss like right below the trend here, below the uptrend here, where you see a trend line here. But guess what? This long wick here is to stop you out, right? Is to basically stop you out. And if you notice in most of these past work here, past analysis, you would see a lot of wicks. And I said take all the traders then with the short stop losses. All right. So what you had to really do, and this is just a tip if you're trading and you want to consider coming into the foreign exchange market, you had to give the market some space to breathe, right? And here's a perfect example. You would have seen that the market came all the way down here, and that's a huge drop here for persons who already know. That's about 26 pips drop from where the trend originally started there. And that is a big drop, right? Luckily for us, we had our stop losses right, in a good area, I should say. Based on the prediction here, the analysis that I did on this particular trade, right? And look at that, the 2TP said we secured our profits based on the account size, right? And this is what it is about, guys. It's not about coming in the markets and getting money immediately from the markets. It doesn't work. So most traders would come in and they would lose, they would blow account and all these things like that. But you had to be, consistent. And if your strategy is not working, you definitely need to apply a new strategy to get new results, right? So this is for confirmed pips, the forex trading, a business that I personally launched, right? We offering the signal channel, and persons who want to consider the account management, we have that optional. But remember, with the account management, we will leverage 50% of the account. When we reach a certain target, we share the profits 50-50. And the minimum to really start that account management is $1,000 we are looking at. And a signal channel, however, is I do the work and I submit it to a channel, which I highly recommend, the signal channel. And you simply just copy and paste the trades and wait for updates, right? And it's really that easy. So the signal channel is, I'm looking at $1,000 TT a month, which is very affordable compared to persons joining schools and they're not being profitable in terms of trading, and they basically have network markets and find themselves paying monthly fees heavily, like 250 USD, 200 USD. You understand? I'm just charging 1,000 TT, and if you have USDT, roughly about 120 to 126 USDT for the month. All right. So that's what I'm working with. Basically, these are the pairs I work with. I'm going to show you some stuff here. Lovely entity JPY. This is a good example here of the market stopping out persons who wanna just jump in the market and trade, and not put in a proper stop loss, right? So I did this as an example here, where we had a stop loss right here by the wick here, on our first entry, right? Nice prediction on the market going downward. We caught 60 pips on this trade though, right? And the wick again, guys. Look at the wick, wicked us out, right? Got a nice confirmation for a double up sell here. Came up, literally wicked right here by our stop loss and went all the way down, right? So this entry here was the perfect entry, right? And we caught the market 60 pips on the drop here. All right, so guys, really phenomenal stuff is happening here, right? Look at us here at GBP, lovely trade. So if you want to get involved into the Signal channel and support my work, you can reach out to me in the description, and you would be forwarded to a Telegram group. You can contact me directly there, and we will see how it goes from there. All right, so I look forward to hearing from you. Have a great day, and see you guys on the inside.